Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to make these 1-second reel videos and what to do to make them go viral. Why would you listen to me? If you're familiar with this trend, you probably see my face before. We've been creating content that generated over 100 million views across all of these 1-second sound videos. One of our sound was in the top 5 trending sound in the United States of America and it was known worldwide. We also have a couple other sounds that was in the top 40 trending sounds. We've been using this trend pretty heavily and now we're sitting at around 125,000 followers in literally around 6 months of creating content. So I think I'm in a pretty good position to give you some tutorial, some ideas, some thoughts, and some guidance on how to make these 1-second sounds go viral. Hopefully by the end of this video, you'll be able to create your own sound and make your video go viral as well. When it comes to this trend, there are 3 things that are very important to pay attention to. Number 1 is obviously the sound. When it comes to sound, I tend to find sound that is very a day-to-day thing, that you can hear those sounds everywhere, like the coffee pouring sound or the snapping finger sound. Those sounds you can hear almost every day, and those are some action which is pretty easy to do in a day-to-day life. There are a couple ways to create those sounds. You can find some sound library, you can purchase some sound library so you can have a copyright. For example, a lot of sounds I found from Artlist and I'm willing to use them since I pay for their subscription. But a lot of other sounds that I found, it might be better that I just record it myself and then I'll just use it as my original sound. Again, the key thing here is you have to use the day-to-day sound, the sound that is very familiar with people, and it's pretty easy for them to even act out or doing B-roll on top of that. After you have a good sounds, you have to think about B-rolls, which is the action that you do to create those sounds. If I'm snapping the finger, I can do that. But one of the key things to make this go very smoothly is that you want to create a loop. So if I want to snapping a finger, I try to go back and forth like this, so then I can create the loops on that 1-second video. Another way to create a seamless loop is that I just don't move at all and just have maybe the poured coffee, so the action has only the water pouring down, but I don't move at all. These are some of the way that you can create the loop, and it's just kind of, I don't know, it looks kind of cool and feel like the vibe that people just keep watching it non-stop, but they didn't realize that they have been rewatched it a lot of time. And then the last thing you want to pay attention to is your caption. Believe it or not, this is still one of the most important thing, because I saw that a lot of you guys use some of my sound or some of the 1-second sound, but you don't have the good caption. And obviously it's not just because you find a good sound or a trending sound, but it's also because your caption have to have some values. If you watched my last video, you probably would know now that 3 values that I want to focus on every time I post content is ERE: entertaining, relatable, or educational. When it comes to entertaining and relatable content, you just try to connect to people as much as possible. For example, last week we have one sound and video that has over 65 million views, and literally the caption is as simple as point of view me editing a reel till 3 AM only to get 69 views. And a lot of people can relate to that because obviously doing reels and growing on Instagram is not the easiest thing, and a lot of time people spend so much time to make a content just to get not that many views, right? And it also has the little bit of entertaining because it's kind of funny. We did add that 69 views on there, and a lot of the comment was like, at least you got a 69, which is kind of funny, but
He's right. Damn it!
the caption is super important. Another caption we did was point of view when clients say I will recommend you to all my friends and family. That's pretty relatable when the niche is going to be photography, videography, or video editing, or whatever it is as a service business. When the client want to refer you to their family, it's like, for me, it's the ultimate, happiness. So we use this sound with this look. This is another point of view caption that goes pretty well, which is point of view me realizing I made a goal of 10,000 followers by 2024, but I already gained 70,000 followers and it's only July. This is a relatable content, very celebratory, and everyone can just join in and just be, oh, cheers for you, very happy for you. So one thing you can do when you can't find a good caption for this kind of video is that you can do some research on your niche to find out what other creators in your niche that do content. You want to find some outliers. Which means that if the creator usually have 4,000 to 5,000 views every single video, but then they have 1 or 2 videos that have maybe 100,000 views or 1,000,000 views, those are outliers. You want to pay attention to those outliers and see what kind of caption they are doing. and you can take the inspiration, do a little bit of twist, and add it so that fit in your business or fit into your video. And these are some of these things that work very well for us. And 1 second sound is really cool. Remember, so number one, the sound needs to be some kind of a daily sound, some kind of a simple sound that everyone can just basically act out on the b-roll. Number two, b-rolls need to be somewhat interesting, either a loop video or something that you don't move at all, and and just have some action going on. Just something interesting. When it comes to b-roll, if you want to have b-roll of yourself or your pets or something like that, make sure to maybe use a tripod, right? Use a tripod so then it doesn't look too wobbly. It's only 1 second, and then you want to make it as a loop. If you want to have the camera a little bit farther away from you and it's easier to see your whole body, and it looks pretty cool. And then the last thing is caption. Make sure it has the ERE system on it. Either it's entertaining, funny, humor content, relatable. Everyone can understand something you're suffering or something that's very celebratory for you. And then make educational content. Everyone love educational content because we wanted the internet and you learn something. It's always very valuable for them as well. So remember these three things, and then if you have a hard time finding a relatable, educational, and entertaining content, then look into doing some more research and understand what other people in your niche is doing this kind of stuff. And the caption game is actually pretty easy if you understand how to do research correctly, because there's only 1 or 2 pieces of content that keep going viral and viral all the time, and you need to understand why it does go viral, and then you want to use the inspiration and then use that to your content as well. So these are just quick tips for you if you want to grow your Instagram, and if you want to get this 1 second trending sound and make a lot of these kind of videos, because these are doing well for us. Again, we ran over 150 million views on just that, and we gained, I don't know how many followers we gained on just 1 second sound, but right now we're sitting at 125,000 followers on Instagram. So I hope it's valuable for you. If you find this helpful, make sure to like and subscribe, hit the bell notification so you know when I post the next video, and let's keep creating, my friend. Talk soon.